If you are looking for a quick, affordable Christmas gift that still feels luxury, let me show you how to sew this gorgeous satin scrunchie. It takes less than 10 minutes, looks store-bought, and is perfect to protect your hair. Let's make one together. Hi everyone, welcome back to Curve and Stitch. I'm Helena. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to sew a beautiful satin scrunchie like this one from start to finish. This project is beginner friendly, so even if you are new to sewing, you can absolutely do this. By the end of this video, you will have a stunning scrunchie ready to gift for Christmas or keep for yourself. Let's get started. For this satin scrunchie, you will need a piece of satin fabric. I'm using this pink satin. For a nice full scrunchie like mine, I'm cutting a rectangle of satin measuring 60 centimeters in length and 12 centimeters in width. If you want a smaller scrunchie, you can reduce the length. If you want extra fluffy, you can increase it to whatever length you want. 20 centimeters long elastic, and the width of the elastic is 0.5 centimeters. A scissors or rotary cutter, a safety pin, or anything you use to thread your elastic through the scrunchie, and of course your sewing machine, or you can hand sew if you prefer. Now that you have your fabric cut out, let's go ahead and place our fabric right side together so the shiny side are touching. Make sure you line up the edges nicely, right side together. Make sure your edges are matching nicely, then pin it. Now go ahead and sew where you have pinned. That's the width of your rectangle, the shortest part of your satin. Be sure to backstitch at the beginning and end of your sewing. After stitching, give it a good press to make sure the stitch part is lying flat. We will be using the burrito method to sew the satin. So first, after pressing it, this is what you have. So place the stitch part down like so. I'll roll the fabric into the center like a burrito. Then I'll wrap the outer fabric over it, making sure that the inside fold is out of the way or is tucked inside. Make sure the seam from your first stitch is matching nicely. Then pin to secure it. Now with everything rolled inside, I will sew straight down the long edge using a small seam allowance, which in this case I'm just using 0.25 inches or 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. As you sew, you pull the inside fabric towards you, then you match the raw edge, then you sew just like so. You pull the inside fabric towards you, then you sew, you match the raw edge, then sew. This is a quick project you can sew in under 10 minutes. When you are getting to the end of the seam, that's where you started, be sure to leave about 1 inch opening. That's what you use to turn the fabric inside out, so make sure you leave that opening when you sew. After sewing, you have something like this, like a hot dog casing, just like this. Feed your elastic into the big casing, that's the big hole that is in the middle. Feed it inside and tie a knot. So this is what you get after putting your elastic through. This is what you get, or this is how it should look like. Now look for the hole you left when you were sewing your fabric and pull everything through just like so, right side out, feeding it through that hole just like so. This is how your scrunchie will look like after sewing and turning everything inside out. Finally, tuck in the raw edge and stitch or top stitch the opening closed for a neat finish. You can finish it with either hand stitching, that's using a ladder stitch to close it nicely, or you can top stitch using your machine. So in this video, I'll use my machine to top stitch it for a clean, professional look. Now your scrunchie is ready. Quick and easy, isn't it? I absolutely love how luxurious this looks and is so gentle on your hair. This makes a perfect Christmas gift for friends, teachers, co-workers, and stocking fillers. You can batch sew a bunch of different colors in one afternoon. Tie them around a gift box or pop them into a little organza bag and you are done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up so more people can find it. Let me know in the comments what color satin you would choose for your Christmas scrunchie. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next beginner friendly sewing project. Thank you so much for watching and happy sewing, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.